In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off saving videos on TikTok app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app. And then if you tap at that share icon, it will show you that save video feature towards the bottom of the screen, and if you tap on it, you will save that particular video to your camera roll. So if you want to turn off that feature for your TikTok videos, you should navigate to your TikTok profile. Then hit at that icon and select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap at Privacy, then scroll down for a bit and then hit at Downloads. If that feature toggled on, it allows other people to download your videos and share downloads to other platforms. You can tap on it to turn this feature off. However, if this setting is off, a link to your videos can still be shared. Just keep in mind. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.